welcome to my store. You can see them against the background here. Look at the colors. And they sparkly. So out in the sunlight, they'll shine. Once again, scoop some water.
I thought you were going to put the shubunkins from downstairs up here too.
I am. They're the same size as the mediums.
Alright.
There's going to be a lot of fish in here because we redid the filter and it's a big filter. Just oh, him. The Pacu every now and again decides to take a leak. Okay. So we're going to take these outside. See? Dracaena, planted. And the parrot's feather.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so the parrot's feather is going to go in here. We're just getting this hooked up. You'll probably have seen the video on the rebuilding filter. So this is getting it ready to operate. So since we kind of wrapped the airline tubing around here, so if this hose slides in and out, it doesn't work. So you take your airline tubing, put it on like that, and then you wrap it around.
Make it a thicker end?
Yeah. Well, we're going to put it in the water anyhow.
Mm-hmm.
So it doesn't have to be watertight, it just has to be mostly the water going to it.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll find out about whether this works about as soon as we turn it on. But this is just hose I had kicking around, so, you know, we make do. And since it's going to be in the water anyhow, let me just grab the filter. Do you know what the clamp is? Or is it on the lid? Where's the lid?
Over there.
Okay. We set the lid out in the hot sun all day to cook. If you'll notice, we filled that all in with PVC because this plastic is super brittle because the UV sterilizer was in there. And then we filled that all up with PVC. That's still spongy, as you can feel. Mm-hmm. Okay. But since the inside is a hard piece of PVC, we can use it as it is. So, take your O-ring, wash it off. Wrap her all up and away you go. Okay. Where's the intake? There's the outlet. Okay, there's the intake. So you just kind of put it on and snap it on. And then it'll go like this. This will go like... See, if you put some water in it, it doesn't float so bad on you. Okay. And then this here. I used to have fingernails. Okay, I've been cleaning so many ponds lately, I have no fingernails left. So we gotta find something to pull the bait out. Okay. This is my pond that we haul around on the trailer. We set it up here every summer, and put stuff in it. I did buy some white cloud mountain minnows. I left them there.
Oh no.
Well, I was so excited because I got so many cool fish that, you know, I get excited easily.
Mm-hmm. Just like you forgot your breakfast and your lunch this morning.
Well, that was because I didn't get up till 8 after 8, because I got up at 5:30, and then went back to sleep, and then Hortensia thought that since I was still sleeping, it must be a holiday, because I always get up so much earlier than her.
Mm-hmm.
You know, those are exactly the same size. I'm foreseeing a problem here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, let's end this video. We'll put a little tack on at the end. I gotta go get a piece of hose to fit over top of this, to go over top of that, to go together. And then we'll do that. Okay? Bye.